In this part, we are going to introduce the pseudo classes and how to use the pseudo class in CSS. And there are two major types of pseudo classes. One is dynamic and the other is structural. The dynamic pseudo classes are used to specify the state. For example, we want to see whether the link is active, or style the link when this is visit or hover, and also we can check whether the input box is being focused. For the structural pseudo classes, it is used to select the elements that based on their locations. And in this part, we are focusing on talking about the dynamic pseudo classes. For example, you can see this website. There are links that visit Yahoo and visit Google, and there are also a input box. The first one we want to do is to add the effect of changing the background colors when the mouse is moving over the link. So we go to the style, and then we add a tag, and then we go to hover, and then we change the background colors to yellow. So now when the mouse is over the link, the background colors is yellow. We can also change the effect of adding the background colors of red when the mouse is clicking on the link. Now, for example, we can add the A and then active, and then we set the font size is large. So when we click on this, you can see it has a larger font size. So when we release the mouse, it returns to the original size. And we can also see that the visit Yahoo, this link is already visited, so this turned purple in color by default, and visit Google hasn't been visited, so it's still in blue in color. We can also change this color by using a link and also a visit. So for example, if we use a link and then we change the color to green, so this link become green. And if we also add a visit and then the color is yellow green, then you can see the visited link turned green yellow. And last, we also want to change the colors when the mouse is clicking on the input box. So now we can go to the style and then type input focus, and then we set the background colors to be light blue. So now if we click on this, the background colors turn to light blue, and if we click on the other areas, it will return to the white color.